Oh, morning everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. Today we are at Bridlington Caravan and Motorhome Park in Bridlington. It's a CAMC site. It's in Sewerby, just outside Sewerby, Martin I think it is, near Bridlington, and we've been here since Sunday and it's now Friday. We've got the days off work and we're about to leave. We're going to go to York, Neyburn Lock after this. But anyway, we've been here. Oh, birdies. We've been here for a week. It's a great site, very quiet, not adults only, but it's CAMC, which means we paid a £5 deposit and then paid the rest when we got to site. So as you can see, the pitches are really quite big. Morning. There's, I don't know what that is, a little dike or something there. So the pitches are really wide. You're parking between the white markers, one either side, on in this side. Bit of grass there, enough room for the styling, enough room for the washing. But we parked opposite the motorhome service point because we needed water. It's obviously not serviced, it's just electric hookup, 16 amp, and you don't have to pay anything for the electric, which is good. So as you can see, it's just the electric point there, one either side, and very wide in between the white markers, wide, so you can get a car, a caravan, motorhome, whatever. And they are really big, these, because, I don't know if you can see this or not, I put a map on of the site on now where we are. We're in the second part of it. Round this side is like the north side, this is the south side. It's quite windy on this side, but quite quiet that side. But as you can see, can we see? The pitches are so big. I mean, that tag axle there is as big as ours, but that one behind it, I don't know whether I can zoom in or not and show you. No, I can't zoom in this mode. That there is an American RV with slide outs. There's one there. There's one over there, and then there's one over there, a massive American one that was so big it was touching the trees when it reversed in at the bottom. But anyway, it's very quiet, as you can hear. I don't want to shout too much because it is actually about 6:30 in the morning. It's like the birdies are singing. Beautiful blue sky. Get out for the day. Whoa, look at the sun. So yeah, so we're on plot 80, pitch 80. There's 149 pitches, I think. So it's a big site. But I say very quiet. So opposite where we are, so there's Connie. Opposite there, we've got the motorhome service points. We've got grey waste dump there. We've got wastewater and drinking water. So I've been topping the water up over the week. Speeds on the Starlink, 150 megabits, 200 megabits every now and again. Been pretty good. So here, it's all one way. So one way this way, one way down there. Round, one way out and back that way. So here you've got the services block. So you've got toilets, ladies this side, gents round that side. Here with this window you've got so here you've got laundry. There you've got pot wash. I'm not going to show you them because obviously there's people milling around. As you can see, there's people walking backwards and forwards. We've got some still photographs we'll put in there and show you now. So the facilities box are really good. I don't know whether you can see off the photos there, the washing is 4 tokens for a wash, which is about 40 minutes, and then 1 token per spin, and spin dry is 15 minutes. So we did 2 washes, 2 spins, and they weren't dry. So spins really need to be 2 lots of spin, 1 lot of wash. So you're looking at £1.25 per dryer token and £5, I think, for 4 tokens for washing. So it's reasonably priced, but you do need 2 lots of spins to get them dry. As you can see, there's paths everywhere. So that from that path there goes up to there. There's the L sand point. There's 1 L sand point there. I think there's 1 L sand point further up that way. Yes, 1 L sand point there. I think you can see just about there. Gas for the propane for the heated toilet block. As I say, ladies there. There's 2 till 4 this block, and 12 till 2 the block over here. So let's just go around. It looks fairly new. I mean, it looks, 5-6 years old maybe. I don't know, but it's very nice. I do like it. I believe Bob Earnshaw's been here as well, so it can't be that bad if the king of YouTube's been here. Oh, it's a shame we missed them. Yeah, so you go down that way. There's like a dog walking field. You can walk that way to the other side, which I'll do now. So you go through here. So the colonies there. You walk here to this little bit here. It's like a dog walk area to get to it. And you walk through this here. And that's going to bang, and it shouldn't have banged because it's early morning. Right. So I'm walking through this little bit here. As you can see, it's very enclosed, very woody area. No idea what sort of wildlife is. There must be all sorts. So we're going this way. And this is the other field. As you can see, there's loads of people here. It's all up. Here's the other wash block. So when our washing block is being cleaned, you can use this one. It's exactly the same facilities. Exactly the same facilities. Gents, ladies, washing facilities, laundry. Just on this side, as you can see, it's very quiet here. Red pegs are fully serviced. White pegs are hard standing with awning. Blue pegs are hard standing without awning. So you've got plenty of choice, depending what you want. So dishwashing area, gents, disabled, ladies, laundry around that side. I believe we haven't looked at this one though because we've got our own, obviously. Drinking water, Elsan, wastewater that side, motorhome service point that side as you come in. You can go all the way around here, all the way around there. There's loads, very quiet in that corner there. And as you go round here, this is where you go back to our field. So this is where we came on on Sunday, I believe it was, or Saturday, one of the days this week. More on service point there, water, whatever, as normal. And then this is the road out from the north field, and then this is easty sort of thing, maybe, I don't know. More here, this side, pretty good. Some big machines here and some tiny ones. There was a really tiny one on the corner yesterday. I mean, it was like you fart, you blow the windows out. It was that small. And on this side, I think you've got the site wardens in here, these 2 caravans, and then there is a Casoa storage facility, which is pretty good. ANPR barriers, so you drive up, they already know that you're here. You come and pay your money, finish off in the little shop here in reception, and then let you through and you ANPR, and you can come in and out when you need. So yeah, so there you go. There's the Casoa storage yard with the pin entry. So you can see Casoa accredited. And here is, so put your dog there, and everybody depart by 12, which is good, and no riding on. Okay, so it's pretty good. And what they do have here, they have food vans. So Friday, no, what are we on today? We're on Friday today. Wednesday, so 2 days ago, Wednesday was pizza. So it's fish and chips tonight, but we're not going to be here because we're leaving, as I say. So that's a shame. But yeah, where the warden lives. And then outside the main area, because it's a lot of the campsite sites are doing this now, is the recycling area with the bins. So it's just standard bin area, pretty good. Food waste in that side for recycling. That's the main road around the corner there, and outside, so down this road here, 2-minute walk to about here, is directly opposite here on the other side of the main road is the golf course, and there are 2 bus stops, and you can get the number 14 bus every hour. This side going towards Bridlington that way is 5 past the hour, I believe, and then in Bridlington at 20 past the hour it brings you from Bridlington to Flamborough. So we've got Flamborough that way, Bridlington that way, and we had 2 adult singles to Bridlington, and it was £6 on the bus, and it took 20 minutes, and it was really good. So Bridlington was fine. So what you've got here as well is, if you come after 8 PM, I think it is, this is where you come in. So you come in here because the shop's obviously shut, the reception. You come in here into the car park here, and there is electric, so you can hook up overnight. This is the overnight parking area in the visitors car park and the overflow car park. Obviously you've got 1 car per pitch, and you have an awning, or not an awning, it depends. And then the last thing is you've got an information room. This is quite cool. Obviously no smoking in here, it's a wooden building, but in here you have got, I've no idea what they're for. You've got sales information, bus timetables. I'll try and put a picture of that in so you can see it. In here, things that you've got, tourist information, pubs, clubs, whatever, blah, 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 all sorts of things. Nearest LPG filling station, things for solo camping, and then you've got, obviously, maps and things. So this is Bridlington, and we are here. So as you can see, Martin, there's the golf club, and we're on this road here. So you go that way to Bridlington and that way to Flamborough. So there's Flamborough Head, where you can see the puffins, I believe, but we didn't get a chance to go there. And we walked from here all the way down to Sewerby. And in Sewerby, there is a Morrison's Daily, which is about 20 minutes walk. And it's a fairly, easy walk, fairly flat. We did go originally on the bikes, but as you've probably seen in a previous video, my bike is still broken. So when we get to York, we've got three days. We've got Friday today, Saturday, Sunday, and then we leave on Monday. So we've got Sunday, we're doing nothing. Saturday, we're going to go into York. Sunday, I'm going to try and fix the bike if I can. Look at that. Big American. A little American rig, but a big one compared to ours, with 2 slide outs. Yeah, and a massive electric arm here. And then amazing, he was over here, and he went out and came back in again, and somebody had obviously taken the picture. Either he didn't like it or he wanted to change it, I don't know, but he's back there now. So, fair enough, he hasn't gone walk as we thought he might have. Changed his mind and decided to go somewhere else. Bit of a woodland area there, staff only, I don't know what that is. And then back round here, so as you can see, this is where we started. There's the big American rig in the corner. A few people got Starlink, so reception's pretty good, but there is Wi-Fi on site. But with it being CAMC, you'd have to pay for the premium Wi-Fi because it's a bit pants otherwise. And that's it, yeah. So this is Bridlington Caravan and Motorhome Park in Marton, in Bridlington. And we're literally about a mile from the sea. So you can see it on Google Maps. I can't remember how much it was. I'll put the value and how much we paid in the description below. so you can come and see, but it's a really nice site, and it's been a pleasure to be here for a week. So on that note, thank you very much for watching. If you like this content and you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It is free. Leave the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Have you been here before? Did you like it? Did you find other places to go? Were you able to go to Flamborough? Was the puffin ride or whatever, was that pretty good? Let us know, because we always like to hear comments and things. We've not got many subscribers at the moment. I think we've got 70, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less, I don't know. We're very slack doing videos at the moment. I've got so much content that I need to upload. I really need to get onto it and do it. But there, yeah, so that's it. It's a great site, fairly cheap considering, and very quiet. Pigeons everywhere, honestly, little birdies, and all sorts of things. No pheasants though. We heard them in the fields, but no pheasants on the pitches. So you can see this is like a little dike at the back there, because all the way around it's like a drainage ditch, and the signs do say deep water, steep bank. I mean, steep for who? I don't know. A Lilliputian maybe? Not a clue. But yeah, so there we go. So thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Goodbye.